So we will discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So simple analysis it is. 19,700 was support and it is broken today. And if the price opens, one second. So guys, Nifty, what happens tomorrow? This is the daily CPR for tomorrow here in the middle. And the closing price is 19,658. Okay, if price is opening below the CPR anywhere in between here or here, for example here, okay, it will go and touch the CPR and it will come to S1. So we will take a position at CPR P here at 19,700 and 680, 685, and after a red candle here. Okay, so after breaking this S1, we will go for S2. So I think these two targets are enough for us. So from CPR to S1 and S1 to S2. And if S2 is broken, my target would be virgin CPR. So here is a virgin CPR. Do not enter PE here, this level, which is 19,550. Never ever enter PE here. Do not sell here. Okay, sell only here at 19,688, and there is a big target for you. So wait for a price action. Okay, and 19,700 is the resistance for tomorrow if it is opening below the 19,700. Okay, if it is opening above CPR, then we will wait for the 19,800 to be broken, or R1 mostly. If R1 is broken, then we will just wait for the retest like this, and we will target the R2. Alright, these are the two scenarios in Nifty and we can follow. I am expecting mostly it should come down to virgin CPR, which is 19,550. So we'll go to the Bank Nifty now. So what happens in Bank Nifty? So we will go to the 1-day chart. Alright, so we will check what exactly happened. I told you before, this level is 1.6 level where the resistance is there, and clearly there is a red candle formed here. So from here it can come on till 45,648 is our next target. So if the price is opening below CPR, okay, let me tell you, if the price is opening here below CPR, we will sell here after breaking the 45,860. Okay, for the first target is S1 and the second target is S2. So from S2 it can bounce back to CPR and it can go back, because Nifty will also be coming to virgin CPR. So once the Nifty is touching the virgin CPR, we will never enter PE in Bank Nifty or Nifty. So this is the analysis for Bank Nifty, and if it is opening above R1 tomorrow, for example here or maybe here, we will just wait for the breakout of R1. Okay, and we'll wait for the retest and we will look for the price action, and then we will enter the trade to R2 and R3. Alright, this is the analysis for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Bye.